Hello everyone, I'm Samuel, BQool's brand evangelist. In this update video, we're excited to introduce the new SellerAmp integration, a major milestone in BQool's development. For those using both BQool and SellerAmp, this integration will save you significant time by allowing you to analyze, source, and reprice seamlessly. This integration will be available for the US, Canada, UK, Germany, Spain, France, and Italy marketplaces. Now let's get to business. This integration will benefit sellers who are already subscribed to both BQool and SellerAmp. Instead of repricing in BQool and sourcing in SellerAmp, you can now source and reprice directly in SellerAmp by adding min, max, and rule settings while accessing the data provided by SellerAmp inside BQool. This will save you time by accurately transferring cost data and min and max and repricing rules right into BQool, reducing the time it takes to start repricing to get you more sales and profits. First, I will show you how to turn on the integration from BQool. Go to Listings, Active Listings, under Settings, and under General, turn on SellerAmp SAS integration, and a pop-up window will take you to SellerAmp's page where the BQool token will be automatically inserted into SellerAmp, and you can click on Connect. Connection updated will be shown on the top, meaning that you have successfully completed the integration. You can close the pop-up window and go back to BQool's repricing page and hit Save. Now you can see the SellerAmp icon as one of the features for your active listings. Next, I will show you how to add costs from SellerAmp to BQool for a new listing. There are two ways. You can log into your SellerAmp account and enter the ASIN you wish to add into the search bar, or you could add the ASIN when you're scrolling through a page using the Chrome extension for the site that you're sourcing. The relevant information will be updated. Go to the tab or panel where it has a BQool logo on it and click on Export New Listing button, and a pop-up window will ask you to fill in the cost, min, max, and repricing rule. Enter the cost, min, max, and rule, then hit Export. Once you see Export completed, that means now you can log in to BQool to check export status or update cost, min, price, max price, and the repricing rule to enable repricing. Once the integration is turned on, you can go to Listings, SellerAmp Listings, and see all the listings that are pending under the status column. You could edit the cost, min, max, and repricing rule and hit Save. This is how you could update the cost, min, max, and repricing rule in BQool to SellerAmp. Next, I will show you how to update the cost, min, max, and repricing rule from SellerAmp since the two software are connected. There are two ways to add or update the cost, min, max, and repricing rule from SellerAmp. If there's no pending SKU, you can click on the Export New Listing button, and you can insert all the costs, min, and max, and the repricing rules for the listing and hit Export. If the SKU is displayed in the table, then you can click on the Update button and enter the cost, min, max, and rule and hit Export so the data will be added to BQool. In BQool, under Active Listing, now you can see the SellerAmp icon beside all the other information about the product. Once you click on the SellerAmp icon, the SellerAmp extension will appear and you can browse all the information including buy box statistics, Keep-It charts, and more within the SellerAmp panel. All right, here's everything you need to know about our new integration with SellerAmp. BQool is proud to be the first repricer to integrate with SellerAmp. As we know, this can significantly enhance efficiency for Amazon sellers. Instead of spending large sums of time switching between two software programs and manually inserting cost, min, max, and repricing rule, you can now save time and focus on managing other aspects of your Amazon business. For more information or questions, please contact support@bqool.com, use your live chat, or visit our support site. And lastly, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube and podcast channels for more updates and useful content. We're BQool. We keep innovating to help you stay cool with your Amazon business.